So things that occur in an initial consult that are critical. Usually it's customary to give something between 30 minutes and a 1 hour consult to clients because that's about how long it takes to dig into their situation, to understand what they're facing, and then start framing out not only the scope of the representation, the solutions that they may not be thinking about, but also the problems that they may need to overcome. Strengths and weaknesses, identifying those, and then coming up with a plan for the representation. And that's going to look different ways depending on the case. So the first thing that generally happens with a client is an initial call to a law firm, and that call is usually screened by a team member, a staff member, a legal assistant, a paralegal, so that way that the client can find the right individual with the right practice area to assist them. And things are different depending on the size of the firm. At a large firm, those initial screenings are going to start at the bottom and then work their way to the top. And you may not ever reach an apex person in that big law firm, but you're going to meet somebody who can help you with your particular problem. And at smaller firms and solo firms like our firm, you're going to meet with somebody who's going to discuss, who can discuss the issues that you're facing. So, for example, a family law attorney. We have 4 family law attorneys at our firm. We're very blessed to have that. And if it's an emergency situation, you'll be put in contact with somebody who understands the emergency and how you need to respond quickly. Personal injury, likewise. I have 2 attorneys that do personal injury, and you'll be put in contact with an attorney for a consult that can understand your problems and talk to you about the things that you may be facing, like damages, limitations, medical care, medical treatment, etc. So those are just some basic things, and those are generalities that apply to most practice areas. And obviously other practice areas are unique, bankruptcy, things of that nature. And sometimes your initial consult screening will be a referral to some competent attorneys who can help you. For example, some bankruptcy attorneys in Dallas, like Aria Holder Arceda or Jenny Parks in Crandall, Texas. Those would be people that I would refer with trust because I have absolute confidence in their ability to handle a client's bankruptcy issues. Anyhow, those are the basic things that happen at the initial client call intake stage. But more develops after that, and I'll jump into that next.